Good morning, folks.
Morning.
Welcome back to S&B Diaries, and welcome to all you newcomers who haven't watched our channel before. We're currently in Chirk, standing on top of the Viaduct. It's a World Heritage Site. It stands at 70 foot tall and 710 foot long. So we're going to take you down and show you the view. Hi guys, so I'm standing on top of the tunnel at the moment, which connects the border of England and Wales on the Viaduct at Chirk. I'm going to take you down. There's a canal barge coming along the Viaduct. That's Chirk's castle, yeah.
Is it? That's the one that we're going later.
We're going to head there later on, yes.
Yeah. So where are we now? Here.
You're at the Chirk Aqueduct.
That one, the railway viaduct.
It says here that the aqueduct was opened in 1801. It has 10 spans, arches of 40 foot each, together with the railway viaduct that was both constructed later and higher. It was designed and created with Sir Thomas Telford, one of the greatest canal builders. So just giving you a quick look down at the huge stone arches that support the canal viaduct, which is the lower one on the left, and the higher one on the right hand side of the picture supports the railway line. Got a lovely old barge coming through. Mother with her ducklings.
Oh, they're following
That's the barge. Going to head down now through the tunnel. You can see in the centre of your picture the little blue sign here on the left hand side. Says welcome to Wales. So this viaduct stretches across the valley between England and Wales. And the tunnel in front of you is the Chirk tunnel. So we come right across the viaduct, and the blue sign in the centre of the picture says welcome to England. It's a nice little house there poking through the trees in the centre of your picture. Got a wonderful views looking out towards the viaduct here. So we're just standing looking at the tunnel, Chirk tunnel. Takes about 10 minutes to travel through the tunnel by canal boat at an average speed of 2 miles an hour. There's a canal barge just about to emerge from through the tunnel. No, it's a boat coming through.
Really? I see.
Yes, just wait a minute. They're only travelling at 2 miles an hour.
Oh yeah.
That's so they can see where they're going. It's pitch black in the tunnel. Here we go, guys, just coming through now.
Morning!
Good morning to you!
You're right, enjoy it! Okay. Ooh.
Yeah. Alright team, I'm gonna, just before you fall off it, oh, you know what, if you can switch your lights off, let's go straight onto the aqueduct because there's a boat.
It's a whole group of paddle boarders just come through the tunnel, enjoying the summer weather. It looks like they're gonna head out and go across the aqueduct. So they're going to follow the barge across the aqueduct. They've just come through the really dark tunnel. So they've just been switching off their little headlamps that they've got on the front of their paddle boards here. Oh, somebody just fell in. Oh, well, that's fresh.
Go more central, Maria. Can you go on your knees, Paul, and hold the boat steady for her? Go alongside her. Guys, can you stop, please?
So anyway, so what?
Somebody just fell in the water. The man's helping the lady out of the water.
There's another one.
She's now back on her paddle board. Hi guys, so welcome back. So we've just walked down from the viaduct and come round about a mile walk, but we were up on top of the first one, which was the canal one. The one behind it is the railway line. We're giving you a view from floor level, and there we go. A few little sheep in the picture there as well. So that's the Chirk Viaduct. There is a little stream here that runs through on the left hand side, so got to get there. And now we're currently on the other side of the viaduct, looking back. So the first one in your picture has the railway line running across it. And the canal one's the second bridge in the middle of your picture there. As I said, they're great big stone columns. That 70 foot doesn't sound very tall, but I can assure you it is quite tall. There's a bubbling brook. It's currently standing in a field surrounded by sheep. So you can't come to Wales without having Mario's ice cream. The milks come all the way from Carnarvonshire. It's lovely smooth ice cream on par with Cornish ice cream.
We're in the car.
Absolutely beautiful. Just having a snack before we move on to our second location. Yum yum.
Yum yum. Come and eat. Eat. That's it.
So thanks for watching S&B Diaries. We finished our little tour of the Chirk Viaduct, and now we're heading off to our second destination. So thanks for watching for now. Give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Bye for now.
Bye.